babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my slick ponytail on coarse 4C mixture type hair. I'm starting off, my hair is freshly washed. Actually, I washed it the day before this video. So I do my slick ponytails in 3 sections, the back and the front, and you'll see how I do that. So I like to start in the back. So I unravel the hair and I'm going to take the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream, and I take like a dime size or palm size amount on my hand and I just rub it throughout my hair. This helps keep my hair moisturized because my hair tends to get very dry, and it just helps form and mold the hair. So you'll see that. Once that is all complete, I take my paddle brush and I wet it. I normally use a spray bottle with water filled in it, but my mom is currently using it, so I can't use it anymore. So I'm just going to brush my hair, not all the way through because I still like some of the puffiness and frizziness and curls, so I don't go all the way through, but just enough to make sure all the kinks are out of the base. So now I'm going to take the Styler Argan Oil 10 Max Hold Gel, and I use a generous amount. I love the gel, so I put it all throughout my hair to help slick it down as much as possible. So after putting the gel on my hair, I use the paddle brush again, and then I follow up with the hard or two-sided brush. I use the hard side. I use the hard side for like molding my hair, but then I use the soft side for my edges. You guys will see that. I do not recommend using the hard side for laying your edges down or just brushing them, period, but yeah. So I'm going to be using an actual headband, but I made it into a ponytail holder. If you have thick hair, then girl, you can understand what I mean, because the ponytail holders do not be working. Them little ones, I use the thick ones. And do not, I repeat, do not use rubber bands on your hair for your ponytails. That causes breakage. We're not doing that. All 2019, we staying away from breakage and heat damage. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to create a middle part. I chose the middle part to just for this video. So I'm going to use the Cantu product again and put that on the top of my hair. Again, the same steps that I use for the back of my hair, I'm going to do for the front of my hair. So after I've created the middle part, I take the Africa's Best Super Grow Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and I use this for my scalp in the middle. It was a little dry. I love this. I stand by this. I've used this for basically my whole time of being natural. So yeah, I'm just using that to grease my scalp. So now I'm just sectioning off the hair again to get it out of my way. I do this just to help me focus all of my attention on one side and help lay the hair down as flat as it can be. Now, if you have coarse or thick hair, then you can understand that no matter what you do, your hair will never be flat if it's in its natural state, and that's cool by me. I don't like the flat look necessarily. I just like the sleek, nice, shine, wavy type of look, and you'll see that at the end. So again, if I haven't said it previously, anytime I'm using this paddle brush, I'm actually wetting it with water from the sink. I would use a spray bottle, but again, I don't have one currently. So yeah, make sure you use water. Don't drench your hair, just wet it a little bit. It helps lay it down flatter. So once I just did the hardest part out of this whole entire video, I like to use the gel again, rub my heads together, and then just put the gel over my hair again. This just helps with the flyaways and molding. Edges time. So now I use my edge brush. This is from my local beauty supply store. It was about $1 to $2. I'm pulling out my sideburns. I have really long sideburns, so I just use my gel again in small amounts, and I just do it to my desired look. I don't have that many baby hairs because they grow out to big girl hairs. Okay, period. So yeah. So this is the part where I take the soft side of the brush and pull out the baby hairs that I do have, and I just slick them up to my desired look. So using a scarf is like the key to making sure all your slick looks look bomb AF. So I'm taking mine and I'm just tying it, and I'm going to be letting my hair sit and like form under the scarf like the entire time I do my makeup. So yeah. So now I'm taking a pick and I'm just making my hair fluffier in the back. Yes, I know that my hair is really puffy and it has frizziness, but I don't really mind. My hair does that all the time. It's going to do that as soon as I step outside. But if you want, you can take water and the curl activator and just brush it through and make it curly. And I'm back. So hey babes, so I am going to take off my scarf. So I did my makeup and I let my scarf sit while I was doing that. And this is how my hair looks. The last thing I do, I just kind of fluff out and shake my ponytail. And that's it. This is Okay, period. Like, this is how I get my slick ponytail on 4C slash thick hair. My hair is very, very coarse, very, very thick. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below what you do when you do a slick ponytail, and if you do have thick hair, girl, let's just chat about it, because baby, this is a lot. Thank you so much for the love and support that I have gotten thus far. Let's just continue to grow this family. Join the Shy Babies, because we lit, and there's no bullshit or fraudulent on this channel, and we is all real, period. So yeah, this is it. Bye guys.